Valr, a unique crypto exchange that's giving us a unique opportunity. Trading 𝙒𝙠, the South African rand, against the US dollar. And no, it's not forex trading. It's similar to crypto trading. We're going to have a look at Valr as well as the strategy we're going to be using to increase our US dollar. So what is Valr? Valr is the largest cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in South Africa. The rapid growing exchange serves over 250,000 customers, with trading volumes growing at a compounded monthly rate of over 30% for the year. Valr offers maker rewards, negative maker fees, and has thus far paid out $4.6 million in rewards to users. These rewards include referral rewards for customers who refer their friend and family using their referral codes. Established in 2019, Valr allows customers to trade over 60 cryptocurrencies. Valr cumulative trading volume has surpassed 7.3 billion on fiat pairs, and crypto-to-crypto trading volume exceeded 600 million. Valr offers an advanced spot exchange for seasoned traders as well as simple buy, simple swaps for an easy trading experience for beginners. Advanced features like sub-accounts come built in and are available to all customers. Pay and get paid with Valr. A seamless payment offering from Valr allows users to send payments from their wallets to anyone's phone, number, email address, or Valr Pay ID at zero cost. Valr is available in desktop, iOS, and Android. And as we can see, looking at the pairs, they have all the main pairs, making it unique and easy to trade through Valr. But let's get to the main thing. Trading USDC, the standard and pegged US dollar coin. Looking at the exchange, it's neat and clean, and it's simple to use. I'm just going to take these lines out. That's the only thing I don't like about charts, and that's basically on any chart you're getting these background lines. I'm going to take them out real quick, and you can see they even have the option of where your buy and limit orders are showing. Looking at this, bringing it down, let's refresh the page because it seems like my sell limit order went through, or not yet. Let's just make sure. My sell limit order hasn't gone through yet, but all my buy limit orders is still in place. The sell limit order is at $18.08. Nice and easy. You can see where your trades are. You can see your open orders. You can look at your history. The history is so easy. You just go to exchange orders and it's all there. Another unique feature Valr provides is the fact that you can arrange it according to the way you want it. And that makes it even easier to trade on. Now, the strategy I'm using is a calculated strategy. If you would like to know more about the strategy, down in the description will be an email address. Email me, ask about the strategy, and we can probably set up a Zoom call and you can learn this strategy. I'm not using any TA analysis. I'm just trading mathematical, putting in my buy orders, putting in my sell orders, and let the markets work for me. Increasing my USD. What else would I like to do? I'm living in a country where we use 𝙒𝙠, and I want to increase my USD. So what I'm doing is the same amount of 𝙒𝙠 I'm buying USD for, I'm selling the same amount of 𝙒𝙠. And with that profit, my USD keeps on increasing. It's a unique opportunity. It's gonna be fun. My next video on this will be an update on the amount of profit I've made so far. But the opportunity is endless. Trading 𝙒𝙠 against USDC or USDC against 𝙒𝙠, which way you want to announce it. The main fact is we have the opportunity to increase our dollars. Have a look at Valr. Link will be down in the description as well. It's a unique opportunity and not one every exchange offers. There's only a few exchanges that offers currency pairs trading against each other. And that's where a big opportunity comes in, especially in a volatile crypto market. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and let me know, what do you think about Valr? Have a good one and enjoy the crypto gains.